everyone. Today we are stepping into the world of data science, but before we dive in and to understand what exactly is data science, let's start by answering this question. What is data? What comes to your mind when you hear the word data? So stick around as we break it all down and let's get started. So data is just a collection of facts. As we see here, data comes in many forms. When you work with numbers, it's just 2 million. When you work with statements, it's just cash, online, yes, no, etc. So data can be presented in the form of numbers, can be presented in the form of text. And of course, it's not necessary that data is only limited to numbers and text. Data can also present in the form of images, can also present in the form of videos like YouTube videos or online content, especially now after the boom of internet. Okay, now we will highlight the difference between data in the past and now. Data, as we know, has changed a lot over time. Back then was small and structured. Small, it was being generated every single day and measured by kilobytes. Now and structured. Structured, it means it was mostly stored in organized tables with rows and columns. Now data is huge and unstructured, huge, generated every single second and measured by megabytes. Unstructured data which is not structured in typical rows and column formats. All of images or video data are unstructured data. Okay, now we'll move to the important question, which is what are we doing with this huge amount of data? Of course, we will utilize this data to answer business questions. This is why data science comes. With the help of data science, we can actually use all of this data to increase maybe a company market revenue. It can help in predicting future trends, allowing companies to make smarter decisions. For example, businesses can analyze customer behavior to improve products or even detect fraud. Okay. Now we'll talk about data mining using case. Another way applications of data science can be used for finding fraudulent credit card transactions. So, data mining helps identify unusual patterns like sudden high value purchases in another country or multiple transactions in short time that may indicate fraud. So, as we mentioned before, usually you shop in your city and suddenly a transaction appears from another country. The bank flag it as suspicious and send you a verification message. Data mining can be used for tagging a mail as spam. Email use data mining to filter out spam messages. They analyze past emails and look for patterns, such as suspicious keywords, links, or messages from unknown senders. If an email contains phrases like "you want $1 million" or "click here to claim your prize," the system may classify it as spam and move it to the junk folder. This helps keep your inbox clean and free from unwanted or harmful messages. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.